Buying a smartwatch for a kid is actually, well, incredibly smart. Smartwatches can promote healthy habits by tracking steps. They can teach children the responsibility of owning a cool gadget. They can provide parental peace of mind, acting as a GPS tracker for kids to monitor your child's location. And, of course, they can make your little one smile, reminding them that, sometimes, their parents really are pretty cool. But picking the right one isn't as simple as grabbing a Fitbit or Apple Watch. Outfitting a youngin' comes with its own set of considerations. Do you need GPS or a step tracker? Are kid-specific watches better than step-down adult models? Here's how to wrap your head around picking the best smartwatch for kids. Number 1. Explorer XGO3. Wi-Fi and network compatible. The XGO3 comes with a pre-installed Explorer Connect SIM card that can be activated to enable voice calls from pre-saved numbers, voice and pre-programmed messages, and more for $9.99 a month. After some initial hiccups setting up the watch for a niece of one of Popsize staff members, assisted via email by very responsive customer service, the excited recipient started testing. Not only was she obsessed with trying things out, but Mom found that it was great to send her a message or give her a quick call to check on where she was or call her back inside. One of the best features was the child's ability to record video messages that she could then send to Mom. And, in an emergency, an SOS button can be pressed by a child to notify emergency contacts of their location. In addition, pictures can be taken and sent with the onboard camera. A screen protector would be recommended, however, as children are not aware of how easily screens scratch. Overall, the Zago is a solid prelude for kids who aren't ready for a phone and for parents who aren't ready to give their young kid a phone but still want to offer some room to explore without parents standing over them all the time. In the warmer months, this is the kind of watch that can get a lot of use, as all the kids start playing outside around the neighborhood. And, as kids grow and want a higher resolution screen and camera, there is the Explorer X6. Number 2. Garmin VivoFit Junior 3. The best health trackers are way more than simple pedometers. And the Garmin VivoFit Junior 3, with a replaceable battery that should last all year, rises to the challenge. This swim-friendly smartwatch can withstand the pressure under 164 feet of water and will monitor your child's activity, whether they're in the pool, on the field, or resting. A compatible parent-only smartphone app, Android 4.4 and up and iOS 9.1 and up, lets you load games that will keep kids engaged to hit their 60 minutes of daily activity. You can also set alerts to remind the kids to do their homework or take out the trash. The silicone band is made to fit kids ages 4 to 9, with the regular size going up to 145 mm and the extra large stretching to 170 mm. Number 3. Apple Watch SE. At $150 less than the cost of the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch SE is perfect for a tween who has a phone and is learning what it means to treat technology responsibly and use it to get things done. Activity tracking features like heart rate monitoring and running routes can help promote your youngster's budding workout regimen. Plus, they can find the right pump-up tunes by accessing more than 75 million songs on Apple Music. Being able to access their calendar and answer calls and texts from their wrist can help them keep up with increasingly hectic schedules. Number 4. Little Tikes Toby Robot Smartwatch. With more than 50 faces, the Toby 2 really does resemble a robot on your kid's wrist. And by employing fun games and movement motivators, like an augmented reality seek and search game, and a dance activity game, it will help children learn and grow, even if they don't realize it. Kids will enjoy taking selfies and videos with 2 cameras. The 512 megabytes of memory can store up to 3,000 photos or 30 minutes of video. And the lithium polymer battery is rechargeable via USB plug-in, but the kiddo will have to turn it off to charge. Number 5. VTech Kidy Zoom Smartwatch DX3. The Kidy Zoom Smartwatch DX3 is the latest and greatest model in VTech's line of affordable kid-friendly watches, featuring 2 cameras for taking videos and selfies, an easy-to-use touchscreen, and over 50 kid-friendly watch faces. In addition to a built-in combo camera flash and flashlight, the Kidy Zoom features daily routine and alarm apps to help little ones learn about time management. While it doesn't have two-way calling or GPS functionality like pricier watches, friends can pair 2 DXCs to send preset messages and play games by scanning each other's watches in person. Best of all, the watch has no wireless connectivity and uses microUSB for all data transfer, keeping it secure and under parents' control.